Most motorcyclists assume their rides are fully captured by a basic helmet cam. But what happens when an unexpected incident occurs and your footage is unclear or incomplete? Imagine having crystal clear front and rear recordings that protect you on every journey. Welcome to Autovated, where today we're taking a deep dive into the Vantrue F1 Motorcycle 4K dashcam, a dual camera system designed to keep you safe and fully documented on the road. I've gone through expert tests, verified buyer feedback, and competitor comparisons to break this product down for you. The Vantrue F1 offers simultaneous 4K front and 1080p rear recording at 30 FPS, paired with 160-degree wide-angle lenses on both cameras. This means more than 3 lanes of traffic are captured, reducing blind spots and giving you clear visuals of every scenario. Its full-body IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating ensures that rain, snow, or dust won't stop your recording. The built-in GPS logs routes, speed, and elevation, and the data can even be exported as a PDF, providing credible evidence in case of disputes. Additionally, the F1 includes loop recording with a 3-axis G-sensor that automatically locks critical footage during collisions. OTA firmware updates and 5 GHz Wi-Fi support make managing settings and sharing videos effortless, while the wired remote and customized voice guidance provide real-time alerts and easy control during rides. Key features include the dual 4K plus 1080p recording, IP67 waterproof construction, GPS tracking with exportable trip data, and the G-sensor for collision detection. In real-world use, riders report straightforward installation thanks to the 3-section cord design, and the cameras perform reliably in various lighting conditions, including night rides. The Wi-Fi connection allows quick previews and sharing directly to smartphones, making it ideal for riders who want both security and convenience. Pros: exceptional video clarity with wide-angle coverage, robust IP67 build for all-weather use, GPS tracking with exportable data for added legal protection, and easy operation via wired remote and voice alerts. Cons: some users note the Wi-Fi connection can be inconsistent on certain phones, and the full potential of 512GB memory support may require premium SD cards for optimal performance. Value for money is solid, especially considering the 18-month warranty and feature set. Compared to competitors like the Garmin Varia RCT or the Sena Prism Tube, the Vantrue F1 provides higher resolution front recording and broader GPS analytics, though it's slightly more complex to install than single camera options. It excels in durability and data richness, but is marginally bulkier due to the dual camera setup. This dashcam is best suited for daily commuters, touring riders, and adventure motorcyclists who want reliable all-weather protection and detailed ride documentation. It's less ideal for minimalistic riders who prioritize ultra-compact setups. If you value comprehensive footage, actionable GPS data, and weatherproof reliability, the Vantrue F1 is a strong option in its class. For riders seeking a simpler, plug-and-play alternative, competitors like the Sena Prism Tube may be worth a look, but you'll be sacrificing resolution and full route tracking. If this breakdown is helping you steer towards smarter riding tech, hit that like and subscribe. Your future self on the road will thank you. Thanks for riding along with us at Autovated. The link to grab the Vantrue F1 is in the comments, and if you have questions or already own one, drop a comment below. Goodbye till next time, and keep your ride smooth, safe, and fully automated.